Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the password to your Skype account. So you're using Skype, you use it to video conference or video call your friends and families, but you feel like your password is not secure enough or there are some other reasons to change your password. Now, you can't figure out how you can change the password to your Skype account. Watch this video till the end. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Follow the simple steps and you'll do it in no time. Now, in order to change the password to your Skype account, what you need to do is open the Skype application in your Windows. Once you open the Skype application, you'll see an interface like this. This is your profile homepage. Here, what you need to do is go to the options menu. Here, go to settings. A new window will open with a setting interface. Here, you'll see a section labeled as manage. In the manage section, what you need to do is choose the your profile option. Once you do that, a web page will open with an interface like this. This is the Microsoft Profile Management page. Here, you'll see an option labeled as change password. Now, to change the Skype account password, what you need to do is choose the option labeled as change password. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, you'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account. So you'll need to enter your credentials. So enter your email. Once you enter your email, click on the next button. Here, you'll have to enter your password to your Microsoft account. So go ahead and enter your password. Once you enter your password, click on the sign in button. Now, you'll need to verify your identity. To verify your identity, what you need to do is receive a code from Microsoft on your email or phone number respectively, which you use to create your Microsoft account. So click on that option. Then Microsoft will send a code to your email or phone number respectively. Go to that email and phone number and enter the code. Once you enter that code, click on the verify button. Once you click on the verify button, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, you can create a new password for your account. To create a new password, first you need to enter your current password. So go ahead and enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password, click on the save button. That's it. You have successfully changed your Skype account or your Microsoft account password. Now use that password to sign in to your Microsoft account. After you sign in, enjoy video conferencing or video calling your friends and families. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this was a helpful video. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.